Question 4 of exercise 13.3 is construct a square where each of whose sides measure 5.3 cm. In a square, all the sides are equal in length and each angle measures 90 degree. We draw rough sketch and by following properties, we start constructing its fair sketch. We give the name of this square ABCD and draw its base AB of 5.3 cm by using ruler. Now on point A, we draw 90 degree angle by using compass. For it, from point A, we draw a semicircle. From starting point of semicircle, we draw two arcs on semicircle at equal distance, and from these two arcs upside, it will be our 90 degree angle. We draw its side and on point A we get 90 degree angle, and in compass we take measurement of AB 5.3 cm and draw an arc from point A on 90 degree side. As all the sides of square are equal in length, this arc intersect 90 degree angle side. We write its point D and join this D with A by using ruler. Now we draw an arc of 5.3 cm from point D and from point B. These two arcs intersect each other. We put a point C and join these points by ruler BC and CD and writes the measurements 5.3 cm, BC 5.3 cm, CD 5.3 cm, AD, and all the angles are of 90 degree. It is a required square. Question 6 is construct a square ABCD, each of whose diagonals is 5.2 cm. In a square, both the diagonals are equal in length and they are perpendicular bisectors on each other. After drawing rough sketch, let's construct its fair sketch. We draw AC of 5.2 cm by using ruler and mark AC 5.2 cm. Now we will construct on AC perpendicular bisector. For it, we take in compass more than half of the measurement of AC and we draw two arcs from point C up and down of AC, and from point A also with the same measurement we draw two arcs up and down of AC, and where these arcs intersect each other we make bisector, and the center point we get and we give name O, and from O we draw arcs of 2.6 cm, as half of 5.2 is 2.6. So we take in compass 2.6 cm and draw an arc from center point O on bisector upside and downside. Where these arcs intersect bisector, we put point B and D, and we join these BD and we write its measurement 5.2 centimeter, and we join these sides AB, BC, CD and AD. It is our required square.